we have to
such a gap. Lovely.
Sitting right in the middle, do you?
This is much better. And this is my friend George. You alright?
Yeah.
Why are you so quiet?
I'm just a bit shy.
Are you shy of being in front of the camera? George and I decided...
I'm used to being behind it, so...
Used to be behind it? Behind what?
Behind the camera.
Oh, that's alright then. I'm just used to being behind it. Today, do you want to tell them what we're going to do?
We're going to do a burping challenge. Clara reckons she could burp better than me. Clearly can't.
We've each got a can of Coke. I've got Diet Coke. We should have covered the labels. We're doing advertising. You've got a normal Coke, haven't you?
No.
Oh no.
No, it's just Coke.
It's just a plain Coke. No brand. This is the burping challenge. We down the can of Coke each and then we see whose burp is the loudest and the best. You can't stop.
Down the whole thing.
Yeah, even if your eyes water, you have to do it, okay?
Alright then.
This is where the thing, you know where they say girls shouldn't burp, goes out the window. Because girls should burp.
Why shouldn't girls burp?
Better out than in.
To be honest, it's a natural thing that happens, so everyone should do it.
Everyone should do it. What about farting?
Same really.
You don't care?
I don't care.
See, this is why he's my mate. 3, 2, 1, go. Have you finished? Have you finished? No. You've got to stay there, don't go. Just stay there.
Go in.
Finished. Right, go.
Oh, I nearly threw up on me.
3, 2, 1.
This was a bad idea.
I'm finished now. I don't even know if I'm going to burp anymore.
Yeah, I'm finished.
We're both finished. Right, now we're just going to sit here and see you burp. I don't know if it's going to happen for me. I don't know.
I'm covered in like all sorts of Coke and spit and snot, I think.
Go and get some wipes. Over there, look. No, that's not good. It's not good. I don't know if I drank enough fizz.
You haven't burped?
No, well, I didn't hear it. Mine just takes a while to come up. Yours is quite good though, wasn't it?
I didn't even know it was coming. It just fell out.
Kind of fell out. Right, I think something's happening in my leather regions.
Got it on your forehead. You got Coke on your forehead.
It's just not here yet. If it's shit, I'll be very upset. I'll be very disappointed.
I've got a moustache on my shoe.
Maybe I should wear that.
Oh, it might help you burp.
Yeah.
You feel more manly. Yeah?
Might help me burp. Oh, it's broken.
Why don't you drink another one? Look. You should drink
I might
quite shit
try
at this.
again.
I can't believe you actually wanted to challenge me at this.
No, I'm good at this normally. Do you want to do another one? So here we go, the burping contest, round 2. Go. Hurts. My eyes are watering now. It's not so funny this time round. That's not a burp. That's a cough. I haven't finished yet.
You're rubbish at this.
Why
I'm
do you
winning.
do so many?
Hands down.
No, wait, I'm going to do a good one in a minute.
I'm winning, hands down. What the fuck?
It will happen, isn't it? Can you just stop showing off? Why have I drunk that much Coke and I haven't done a single burp yet, really? No, it's better. Can you like pat my back a bit? A bit lower. Oh, it's quite good, isn't it?
Mm.
No.
That's not a burp, you know, it's just a noise.
But that's what I feel like.
Shit!
That was a bit of a letdown, really.
Yeah, it was.
A bit anticlimaxical. The best bit is where the Coke went all over me and you started throwing up. So this was our burping challenge. You decide who won in the comments. Because I think I did alright. I don't think I've finished yet. I think there's another one. Did I win? I'm going to explode. So it's me and my mate George, and we'll let you decide who won the burping competition. Have I still got Coke on my head?
You've got like a really
disappeared now.
Sticky patch though.
I've got a sticky
and some
patch
on your hair.
I've got it's Coke. Okay, the sticky patch is Coke. It's not anything else. Just letting you know. I want to go and clean off my sticky patch and recover from this challenge. It's been immense. We'll be back, what do you say, next time? 10 double cheeseburgers?
Yeah, burger challenge.
The burger challenge. See you next time. Boof! Do you want to say anything?
Laters.
I think I've
Bye,
got...
Mum.
Your mum's not going to watch this, is she?
Why not?